Students, how are you? Yes. So well students, today we are start again our mathematics class. So in my previous videos, you are doing the exercise 1F. So my dear students, if you have any problems, then you can comment in my videos. So here some of the exercise, if you have difficult, I hope you have difficult, and I solve it here. Okay. So these questions, look at here. So question solution you write down here and see the questions. It is a supplementary angles, so you add it here. These angles, write the name of these angles: A, O, B, C, D, E. So my dear students, here in number 1, angles DOC is equals to the 90 degree, being right angles. It is given. It is not right here any angles, but this symbol is so that it is a right angles. So that's why you have confusion here. So I am solving this question here. So now in second you are doing angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle DOC plus angle COB is equals to 180 degree. Instead of supplementary, you write here being straight angle also. And my dear students, instead of AOE, you write here 15 degree. You write on 15 degree here, plus here 25 degree, and DOC is a 90 degree, which we are mentioned here. DOC is a 90 degree, and plus angle COB is equals to B degree is given, is equals to 180 degree. So sum this all angles 40 and 130 degree. B degree is equals to 140 degree is equals to 180 degree. So now B is equals to 180 minus 140. B is equals to 40 degree. So in this way we complete this questions solution. Okay. So one more questions. I have a comment. So sorry, it is difficult. So that is question numbers 5G. Question number 5G. The figure is like that: 2x plus 30 degree, and here 3x minus 20 degree. So my dear students, see here, these two straight lines intersect here at a point of here, and the angles, these angles, opposite angle is this angle. So my dear students, what I am telling about you in my previous class, when two straight lines intersect each others, there are 4 angles formed, and the angle opposite angle is called vertically opposite angle. So properties of vertically opposite angles is equal. So that's why This is the vertically opposite angle. These two are the vertically opposite angles. So solution you write down. That's why we write down here 2x plus 30 degree is equals to 3x minus 20 degree. Reason is being vertically opposite angles. Okay. So now here is the equation is formed. So what we do now? Yes, the variables is interchange, transfer in right hand side, left hand sides, and the constant is transferred in left hand side. So how do you do this? That 2x, this variable is interchanged in this left hand sides, minus 3x. Here is the plus 3x, so here is minus 3x interchange. So, and dear students, always you remember that when you interchange or when you deducted, subtracted, so at that times right hand side constant number write down first, minus 20. Its sign is minus, and the left hand side constant number is plus 30. So it is interchange here minus 30 degree. So the difference is equals to, my dear students, what is 2x minus 3x is equals to minus x, because the minus variable is greater than the plus variables. So that's why here is the remaining, minus is remain, minus x is remain. And here the both constant numbers are the same sign. So always you remember that similar sign is always add. So add it, minus, you write down first, and minus 50. 20 plus 30 minus 50, and sign will be the minus. So here unequal left hand side and right hand side both sign is here minus. So that's why this is important, and it will be the positive 50 degree. Understood? So my dear students, I hope all of you are understand these problems, how to solve. So one more questions is comment. One of the students asked me, sir, this question is problems. So I solve it here today. Excuse me. In question numbers C, 6C, okay, here is one of the questions, A, B, C, 141 degree. So in this question, see it here, one is the numerical value, other variable is given here, unknown. Understood? One is unknown. So, my dear students, see here, this numerical values opposite angle is what? B. So it is a vertically opposite angle. Yes. So now you write down here number 1. B degree is equals to the 141 degree. Reason is being vertical opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Finished. And leave one line here. And second question is, see here, in this numerical values, related semicircle is this, and another is this one, this one. So as you like, either you sum it A plus 141 degree or C plus 141 degree. So its sum will be the 180 degree. So now here A plus 141 degree is equals to 180 degree, being straight angles, these straight angles. Okay. And now equation solve. A degree is equals to 180 degree minus 141 degree. So difference is yes 39 degree. So in this way, again you complete your homeworks, and if you have any problems then you comment me in my video. Thank you very much.